The cuboid is located between the calcaneus and the fifth metatarsal on the lateral side of the foot and can be palpated on the plantar surface medial to the lateral weight-bearing area of the foot. To assess cuboid mobility, stabilise the rear foot and then passively dorsiflex the lateral foot. If restriction exists, a manipulation may help to restore range. To perform the manipulation, stabilise the rear foot and flex the distal IP joint of your thumb to apply direct pressure over the plantar surface of the cuboid. The area is often tender, so before you perform the manipulation, some inversion with a stabilised rear foot can help to reduce sensitivity. The manipulation is then performed using the other hand over the thumb to produce a low amplitude, high velocity thrust. The mobility can then be tested again by stabilising the rear foot and plantar flexing the lateral foot to see if mobility has been restored.